some Range Rovers. Man, the game over with me and Slim pull up. You see us flossing on chrome with the...
What up, Custom Gang? It's your boy, Rollo Custom, man. Back with another video. You see it in back of me? Yeah, it's the G8. Yeah. But yeah, we're going to try to start this thing. I pushed it inside the shop, and we're going to see what it sounds like. So let's get to it. Alright, what we're going to do, I got my jump box hooked up to it. We're going to try to remote start and see what happens. Nothing. Let's try it one more time. All right, let's hop on the inside and try to fire it up. Cut it off because that battery, as y'all can see, the box fell. But she sound good. Sound like a jet. I don't smell like I smell. Ew. Stop it. All right, a couple days later, yeah, I've where the bumper was torn right here, as y'all can see, I plastic welded it. This tab, it was torn right here on this tab. It was torn right here. It was torn right there, and it was torn, as you can see, right there. And all I did was plastic welded it. I was thinking about buying a brand new bumper for it, but I can salvage this bumper. I can fix this. Well, as you can see, I'm fixing it. Yeah, it was torn up in there. So all I got to do now is I got to take the bumper off and get the back side. But really what I'm finna do now, I'm just finna tear down the front end of it. Pull that core support out. Pull these headlights off, front bumper. And basically everything that's broken on it. So let's get to it. Okay, I'm gonna run through what I just did because the bumper is already loose. I just gotta unhook my side marker lights and my fog lights. But all right, I'm gonna show y'all where it's at. You got two 10s. Let's see if we can see up under there. But it's two 10s. There's one right there and there's one behind there. All you gotta do is loosen those up, and the bumper it'll slide out. Slide out, as you can see right there. See how it slid out? Yeah, should just slide. Oh yeah, it just slides out. As you see it pop down. I already took it out. Took the 10s out on both sides. Like on this side here, so I can just do a little snug, a little pull. Yeah. Hold on. It's hard to do this with one hand. Let me try. All right, like I said, I took those 10s out, two 10s right here. There's two 10s on the opposite side. And at the bottom, you got four 7mm screws. Had to take those out. You got to take those out also. So anyway, these bolts that was up here, you know, they was torn off in the wreck. So I didn't have to take those. There was only one that remained in here. It's right here, but it's pulled out too, so I don't have to take that over. So what I'm gonna do now is drop this front bumper. Like I said, behind it, don't forget to unhook your fog lights and your side marker. Yes, side marker, the fog light is already unhooked. This side. Come to this side. same thing. You know what these things been? Been on here for so long, we get a little seized up. That's a hook. Cool. Now, as y'all can see, still got the headlights. Let's see. Okay. Hold on, give me a second. One more thing I want to show y'all about removing these lights. I told y'all it was 2 10s at the top, which are broken off on mine, so I didn't have to take those out. But it was 2 at the bottom of it also that I removed, that I showed y'all. So there's one more thing. It's a clip. You see this clip right here? This is the only the harness that's coming into the headlights. You gotta pull up on this tab right here. So if you get you like a flathead screwdriver or whatever, get up under there. Hold on. Let me do this with one hand. Once you pull that tab up, it should look like this, and it should slide right off of there, just like that. Simple. All right. To remove your headlights, you got a bumper bracket right here. See this bumper bracket that I'm pointing at with my drill? You got to remove that. You got a 10 right here. Move that one. And you got a 10 right here on the opposite side. Move that. All right, and that's gonna expose your 10s at the bottom. Toss that to the side right quick. That's gonna expose your 10s right here. You got one right here and one right here. It's gonna be the same way on the opposite side. So let me get those taken out and I'll get back to you. To pull this core support off, I think these might be 13s, 2 13s right here on both sides. You got 2 right here, and on the opposite side over here, you got 2. And you got a 10 right up here behind the fender right there. Other than that, you just got clips and your wires, that's actually connected to this. You just disconnect those, this whole piece should come off. Hopefully. So let's get to it. As y'all can see, these headlights, man, they're no good. Ain't nothing I can do with it. I can take the lights out. Because I think these are, they're LEDs if I'm not mistaken. But anyway, yeah, both globes are busted. Busted on the back right there. The brackets are broken off on both of them, so I won't be using those. I've just purchased some more headlights. All right, as y'all can see, I got the whole front end just about tore off. Just got the radiators left. I really don't want to take those off right now because, with the training fluid, once I unhook that, training fluid, I don't want training fluid to go everywhere. But anyway, this is what, oh, excuse me. This is what came off. This is the front core support. That's all mangled up down there. And I got to order the rest of the parts for this. That's your bumper down there. Headlights, bumper that I'm repairing. I am not replacing it. As you can see, I showed y'all early in the video that I had started working on that. So I'm gonna get the back side, brace it up real good, and continue to, work the front side of it, make it look real neat. But boom, back on this. Yeah, man, something hit this thing dead. Oh, let's get that camera right. Something hit it dead in the center, man. I'm thinking, look at it. Just think about it. That's the ball. It hit a hitch. It had to hit a a lifted truck. It ran right into a lifted truck. As you can see, that's the ball right there. That's the little, that's the attachment to the hitch, and that's the lower part where the screw at. It's perfect right there. Playing a little detective work, man. You know, I do it all. Anyway, we're gonna get this baby patched up. We're gonna get her back on the road, man. So, only thing I got left for the, you know, tear down procedure is to remove the hood. Like I said, these radiator, the condenser and the radiator. And man, that'll be basically it for the teardown. Yeah, man. But you know what? If you like these videos, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe to the channel, man. And I'm out. Pew!